Why Amazon FBA is broken in 2025. Now, as you watch this video, it's going to be very short, less than 5 minutes, and I'm going to give you exactly, step by step, why I believe that Amazon FBA is broken. Now, first of all, first thing over here, as you can see, right? First thing is that you have to spend hours researching the products that you are going to sell, right? The second thing is you have to pay a lot of money to get your products listed high enough. I know in many courses they make it sound so simple and easy to do, which is really difficult. If you do the research, you're going to know exactly why it's so difficult to get a winner. Third thing is that you have to spend at least 3,000 to 5,000 US dollars for Amazon to stock your product. So at least minimum 3,000 US dollars for Amazon to stock your product. And then it's more. First of all, right? Amazon can suspend you at any time. So basically, it meaning that your account can get banned, shut down without any warnings. Maybe it's customer complaints, maybe it's policy changes, right? Or algorithm AI flags your account, and you cannot do anything about it without warnings. Second thing is slow profit timeline. As a beginner, for example, I do ClickBank affiliate marketing. I'm not a beginner anymore, but I'm talking if I am a beginner, I would look for ways to make money fast. I want to profit, right? Hand over fist, as quickly as humanly possible. Why? Because I don't want to be in the hole in a debt, tens of thousands of dollars, just to have profit after 6 months or 1 year. No, for me it doesn't work this way, and I think for you as well. Let me show you over here, right? Why do I believe that affiliate marketing is way better? The thing is that, for example, right, with affiliate marketing, meaning promoting other people's products without having any inventory yourself, okay, there is no upfront costs. It's free. You can go on ClickBank, MaxWeb, and promote affiliate products, from physical products, weight loss products, weight loss supplements, digital info products, okay? And you can earn up to 90% affiliate commissions. The beauty of this system with affiliate marketing is that it pays weekly and daily affiliate commissions. Okay, so if you earn today, in 7 days you can get it on your bank account, Stripe, PayPal, whatever you're using. Okay, so there is no product development, there is no branding, there's no customer service or logistics at all, right? All you have to do is drive traffic, meaning buyers clicks, audiences, eyeballs to your website, to your affiliate funnel. Okay, now the leverage points of affiliate marketing that make it better than Amazon FBA in 2025 is that there is no inventory, right? And you can focus 100% only on marketing. Okay, so you don't have this stress and headaches about products. Okay, and you can scale globally. You are in Canada, you are in India, you're in US, Europe. You can do it from anywhere in the world without showing your face, without making any videos yourself. All right, let me give you an example. For example, over here, right? Let's say on ClickBank you have a product, ebook, let's say, or I don't know, weight loss supplement for $37 or 67 US dollars. Okay, so the whole funnel, entire funnel, can pay you up to $1,000, sometimes $500 per sale. Meaning one person gonna buy this product for $37, and a minute later or an hour later, upsell for 250 US dollars. And you, my friend, as an affiliate on ClickBank, you get paid 90% affiliate daily commissions. That's the beauty of this system, right? As you can see over here, right? Now, let's break the false belief. The number one false belief is that you don't you need a product to make real money. Truth is, you can get paid high commissions to sell other people's products. So you sell or promote, market other people's products 24/7. Okay, because Amazon is paying very low commissions, 5-15%. Even if you get 50%, it's too low. At the end of the day, when you look net commissions, cash in your bank, it's not the same like with ClickBank affiliate marketing, where, my friend, you get 75 up to 90% daily affiliate commissions from any products you're promoting. All right, and you don't have to buy the product. You don't have to stock the products at home. Let me show you an example. Right? Let's say I have a back pain. I go on my Google and type in how to get rid of my back pain, and I see Google pay-per-click ad. Okay, with your website, I click on it, I watch your video sales letter, sales page, I buy the product, And you, my friend, because you are an affiliate with affiliate link, I purchased through your affiliate link, you got 90% commission, maybe in this case $200 in a day. And maybe you have spent just $50 on Google ads in a day, or maybe even $25 per day. Okay, for this, for affiliate marketing, all you need is 20 to 30 minutes per day to run those affiliate campaigns, right? Because you don't have to stock any inventory, do your own researches. Okay, this is the beauty. You can start with minimal risk, you have high profit margins, no customer support, instant payouts, and location freedom. Now, if you don't believe me, let me show you over here. You can reach out to me later on my WhatsApp, my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, and my email. You can see I traveled to over 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to ClickBank. It gives me location freedom because I can open my laptop anywhere in the world I am. All right, if I'm in Thailand, if I'm in Bali, if I'm in Australia or in Switzerland or Austria, I can open my laptop and I can do my work from anywhere because I can run my faceless campaigns from anywhere in the world, as you can see over here, right? You can reach out to me, okay? Now, over here, you can see we get it done together over the Zoom call. We connect. In the first 7 days, you're up and running. 3 to 7 days, you have your affiliate ClickBank campaign up and running without showing your face. Okay? Now again, if you have any questions, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below, or in the bio, you can connect with me one-on-one.